Danny of Pinoy Trick Styles. We are here in the famous Laia beach line. So we jog in the early in the morning. Say adios to the moon and hello to the sun.
Dito tayo dito sa may kabayan ha.
There's a flock of birds forming a bee. Don't know if you can see this well. In, out, cart. Ba't ka nabaksak?
Go!
Stop. Tama. Go. Cartwheel. Body drop. Ano sunod?
Teka lang ha. Wait lang sir.
Cartwheel. Split.
Ano to? Para maganda ka sa picture. Huwag mo ito. Nag-fish ka?
So here we are, just finished eating champorado and tuyo. We are here at the Kabayan Beach Resort here in Laia, San Juan, Batangas. So this is where we usually hang out. This is the chapel. There will be a mass at 11:30 a.m. This is the main area. There's a swimming pool here. The venue is great. The staff are nice. We usually go jogging here in the morning, then go eat. Oh my god. And my sister is playing. Ano yan? Ahas. Tonight you will see these lanterns lit up. It's much beautiful at night. There's the pool. You walk around here. There's one of the huts. And there's an event. And here is the beach, midday. Early morning, about 8 a.m. Sorry. And it's full. Ah, well, it's up.
Parang may isa.